Ever feel like your hair is staging a quiet rebellion? Thin, brittle, and constantly shedding like it's auditioning for a role in a horror movie? Well, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a tasty, easy way to fight back without any messy lotions or complicated routines? Let's talk about VitalHeal Hair Growth Gummies. Yeah, I know, gummies aren't just for kids anymore. These little guys are packed with all the good stuff your hair craves. Without the hassle of pills or greasy treatments, you just pop one of these in and go about your day, feeling like you're treating your taste buds and your follicles all at once. In just a few weeks, you're looking at fuller, thicker, and shinier hair. Forget waiting forever, this is the real deal. No, really. These gummies are designed to not just help with hair growth, but to actually strengthen your strands, making them less prone to breakage. It's like giving your hair a workout, but way more fun. Here's the magic. The ingredients are packed with scientifically backed power that gets straight to the point. We're talking hair strength, growth, and a healthy shine, all with one easy gummy a day. You won't need to spend hours in the mirror trying to salvage what's left. Instead, you'll be checking out your hair in the reflection and actually smiling. So is Vital Heal legit or a scam? Well, I've tried it and I'm saying it's a legit game changer. If you want hair that feels as good as it looks, maybe it's time to treat yourself and your hair.